While people may want to add some extra spice to their baked goods this holiday season, both retailers and shoppers are on high alert as cases of bird flu add an extra dash of concern to eggs, milk, and meats.
It's a concern because obviously our livelihood is our animals.
Francis Whelan's family has owned and operated Hayes Farm in Rocky Hill since the 1800s. He and his brother are the fifth generation to do so. Recent cases of bird flu across the country have the duo running a tight ship and limiting outside visitors into the farm.
Because you don't know where they've been or what they may be bringing into your property.
According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, this strain of bird flu, H5N1, is spread by wild birds to cows and chickens and is currently present in states like Connecticut. No human cases have been reported in our state as of yet. But doctors like Scott Roberts at Yale New Haven Hospital are keeping tabs on what could happen down the line.
Where I'm most concerned is just the trajectory of where this is going. You know, it's now infecting a number of new species it has never infected before. And we've now had a number of cases in the United States, significantly more than we've had before. We need to be aware of the potential of the food we're eating and the milk we're drinking. If it's raw, it could be contaminated with this virus, and that's something that we really don't want to mess around with.
While doctors say it can be best to stay away from consuming raw eggs or milk, regulations usually keep infected products off store shelves. And Department of Agriculture Commissioner Brian Holberts, there are still safe raw milk options in Connecticut.
So you can purchase raw milk in Connecticut from a farm or at a store. Purchase raw milk from a licensed raw milk dealer and farm.
As it stands, the risk to public health is still low, but where you might see the fallout now is at checkout. There is a higher demand for eggs around the holidays, which leaves store shelves like these empty at times. And since infected eggs, meat, and milk need to be disposed of, Farmers Bureau predicts prices for things like eggs could go up.
In the past, we've seen bird flu cases throughout the country, and it has driven up egg prices at those times. And less of a supply and the demand's still there, so the price goes up.
State health officials tell us that they will continue to monitor the avian flu just like they have in years past. But if you want to avoid eating a raw egg, doctors say either scrambling your eggs or cooking them so the yolk isn't runny is a great way to do so. But for now, in Rocky Hill, Stephen Reels, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.